Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the D20l Y88 Smartwatch, and this time we are going to install the support app for this wearable. Okay, although we are already familiar with the installation of the app, okay, it is using the FitPro app. We are just going to demo it to show whether these wearables works with the FitPro or not. Okay, if you are familiar in the world of smartwatches, I think you know that this is an upgrade of this one, the Macaron, the D20Y88 Smartwatch. So this one is the D20l Y88 Smartwatch. Okay, still, as you can see here, it has a PC body. Okay, here, if this is a fake crown button and a pill shape button here, just for aesthetic purposes. We have a direct USB charging, as you can see here. Just attach the strap. Okay, and we have a full color screen display here with touch operation. Okay, so we have here the user manual, and this is the box packaging. As you can see here, it is available in a variety of color options. So we have the user manual here, and we have the QR code. Okay, if you happen to lose the user manual, again, it is available here in the smartwatch. Just go to the settings here. Okay, and we have the QR code. As you can see here, the logo, FitPro app. And now we are going to install, okay, it in our Android smartphone. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so let's turn on our Bluetooth here. And let's see, do we have it here already in our smartphone? Seems like we don't have it installed here. So let's go to Google Play. Just search the app FitPro. Search FitPro. FitPro. Okay, so we have it here. So as you can see, we have the logo here. Tap on it. We have over 10 million plus downloads, just 26 MB. So it is available in Android and the iOS platform. So tap on install. Okay, let's wait. So again, this support app, okay, if you're not familiar, is popular to, okay, different affordable Chinese, okay, brand smartwatches. Okay, so we are downloading here. Let's wait. So let's check. Okay, we are done with the installation, as you can see here. So let's open the app. Okay, let's put this aside first. And we have the FitPro application. Again, we already activated our Bluetooth here. We're just waiting for the application to open. And now we have the UI of the FitPro app. Okay, so this is in Android smartphone. And here on the bottom part, as you can see here, we have the settings here, set for your device. We have the motion for activity tracking, and we have the profile. Okay, so let's go to the set here. If we are going to add our D20l Y88 smartwatch. As you can see here, okay, we don't have any smartwatch connected. So tap on bind device to experience more features. And here, it is asking for permissions for your GPS. Okay, just tap and allow. and automatically it searches for our smartwatch. And as you can see here, we have the D20l. Okay, so we are pretty sure that this is our device here, although there are other smartwatches here. So tap on D20l. Now it is trying to connect to the wearable. Okay, let's wait. So here it is connecting. Okay, seems like we have successfully connected our smartwatch. Okay, are we pretty sure? Okay, are we really connected to our smartwatch? As you can see here, D20l 20C5. So let's check. Find. Okay, so we are successfully connected to the smartwatch. Okay, so next, let's check the notification features here. Okay, let's adjust. Okay, so let's go to message push. Let's see if we do have some permissions. Let's turn it on. Call reminder. Okay, so here it is asking for permissions. Allow FitPro to access your contacts. Allow. Allow FitPro to make and manage phone calls. Allow. Allow FitPro to access your phone call logs. Just allow it. And let's see. Okay, so next for the SMS reminder, allow FitPro to send and view SMS messages. Allow it. Then for the social app, let's see if we have a different set of permissions. So here, notification read permission. Open. Okay. So here, just activate it for the notification access. Okay. So FitPro will be able to read all notifications, including personal information such as contact names, etc. Allow it. Okay, then go back here, activate the Facebook here. If you want to receive from Twitter, also activate the option here. Okay, so that's it. So as you can see here, it supports a variety of social app. Okay, Skype, KakaoTalk, okay, WhatsApp, Line. Okay, then let's go back. So that's it. We have successfully activated or connected, paired our D20l to Y88 Smartwatch to the FitPro Support App. We also have the dial settings here. Okay, seems like we have an issue. Okay, I think the dial settings or the watch face here is only available for other models. I don't know if there's an option for the D20l. Okay, as you can see here, it returns an error. Okay, but so far we are connected with the D20l Y88 Smartwatch to our FitPro Support App. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Goodbye.